chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Hi guys, today I am going to do the oil change on the engines that I didn't get to do whilst I was doing the service. Videos are going to be in different orders, so you might see some Christmas decorations in the background, and because this is when I'm doing the oil change, but you won't see this video for a while. Bird is about to get Bacon Betty on the go.
From last night's shenanigans.
Yes. So we're going to run these engines up, get them warm, have Bacon Betty, and then drain the oil.
That's what I'm doing.
Get it serviced, because we're going to be taking her out soon. Woohoo! Right, I'm going to run the engines, fire them up, and get them warm. Okay, a little bit hunting when they start and a little bit smoky, but oil change and a good run. I'll hopefully sort that out. Quite smoky. Oh, it's bloody raining. Is it raining? Sunny a minute ago. Water coming out of the exhaust over the fender. Alright, we'll let it warm up and we'll get this oil changed. Ooh. Bacon Betty time whilst the engines are warming up. Got to fix that, why that blow plug likes staying on all the time. Alright, go on and get these engine service in a minute. Alright guys, so the setup is I've got that to drain into. I'm going to suck the oil out of the dipstick tube. I've got this little pump. Play camera. Oh, it's an electric pump, which is going to suck it out of the dipstick tube and then empty it into these various containers that I've got. And then that's the oil filter there. That's a new one. That's the bird. Okay, let's get it done. Alright, this is working. Alright, fix it. Quite thin. Alright, let's see how long this takes.
How are you getting on, Ben? Yeah? Let's see if I can get right in there. So what are you actually doing? Getting the filter off, yeah?
Yeah. Right, making a mess everywhere.
You see all the oil is going into the containers. We've got the empty bottles over there. See it. Trying to get the things on there. Is it coming off? We've managed to get it off. So I think the filter was really screwed on really tight, so he had trouble getting it off. So right? Really long thread. And this is just one side, yeah? Yeah, so this is the first side. He's got to do it all again on the other side.
So. A very good idea.
But is it? It's an essential job to do, yeah?
No, I mean just what I'm doing. Let you carry on.
Try not to make a mess. Do you want some tissue to line underneath or tissue?
Yeah, and it's warm down here because obviously warm the engines up to get the oil nice and thin. Filter should not have been on that tight.
Say that again?
Filter should not have been on that tight. There's no need for it to be done up so tight.
Okay.
It's meant to be finger tight, like hand tight. I have to use all my strength to get that off.
He's a man though, so he can do it, right? So this is for the blue jobs, this isn't pink jobs. So this is the new filter here that he's about to put on. So there we go. I'll pass it down to him. There you go. What are you doing there? Filling it with oil?
No, you don't need to. You need to
put a little bit in, maybe. Want me to hold? Yeah. Steady. Probably be a good idea, isn't it? If I hold it. I have to put a camera down for this.
Just mess it on the floor.
Actually, at least stick it there. And you can do it. But it obviously definitely needed doing because it's black. The stuff coming out of it.
Yeah. It will be in a diesel.
Will it take long to get black like that, or not?
Not long.
As soon as you start the engine, that kind of thing.
No, it's not straight away, but it doesn't take too long. Right, I need to get some of this clean oil.
A bit of tissue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to rub it around the seal.
Okay, right.
Lubricate the seal so it doesn't split. And tighten it up.
To be honest, leaving that camera like that, it gets you all in. So leave it there then. So what colour was that fuel filter then? Because these are white, these white. Huh?
It was white.
Oh, was it? Okay.
We've gone for proper Volvo Penta originals. Not cheap stuff.
Will it make a difference then?
Probably not. It's just nice having a bright stuff.
Yeah. Just want to put the camera down there. So look, you can see the bottom of the boat. It's all really dry, so there's obviously no water getting in. Bottom of the boat. I don't know whether you can see that there. Which is good.
Right, that's as tight as it needs to be. Just by hand.
So
I have to use all my force on that tool. And it's bending, pulling on this bracket. So
wow.
tight.
Wonder what the other one would be like then.
That's going to be harder to get to. That's over there.
So what are these little ones here? These are ones
Fuel
that you...
filters.
They're fuel filters as well.
I've done
Those are changed, yeah?
Yeah, I've done those.
Oh, so it's only one more big one then you've got to do.
Yeah.
So will any more oil be drained out of this side?
Yeah, I've got to carry on draining it.
Right, okay.
What I'll do is start filling this one up now at the same time. And then I've got some empty tubs.
Okay.
So put this pump back on. If you get me some more, another one of Actually, I'll use the big one and the funnel because this is easier to get to.
That big one there.
Not that one, that's the old shit.
The other one. Can I move that one out of the way then?
Yeah.
I didn't know whether you needed that one. I'll move that out of the way.
Turn that off for a bit.
Yeah, it's better, look. Right, go on then.
I should have told Bird what she was looking out for when it was filling up. We got a bit of a spillage earlier. Never mind. Just about contained. And I was stuck behind the back of there trying to get the other bloody oil filter off. Oh dear, we're getting there. Right guys, all done. So just going to run the engines up. New oil, new filters on. Tied it up a little bit. Sun's bright. Don't fall down the hole. Get the engines running. Good, still smoky, but it will be until we get it warmed up. So yeah, quick oil change. So I've got all the old stuff to take to the marina bins. Wow, beautiful December day. Boating weather. Hi guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.